Here's what we got so far. We got the short block. Now we got to put the lifters in. We got some comp rollers here. We got to put the spring plate on and the dog bones. Hey everybody, happy Friday. How we doing? Hey, the push rod showed up for that 331. Let's finish it up. Okay, there you go. That's what that looks like. Okay, now I'm ready to put the heads on. I got some special Fel-Pro gaskets made with reinforced Kevlar. Make sure these holes are open in the back or it'll run hot, and then you'll say bad stuff about Fel-Pro. Fel-Pro makes a great gasket. I use a lot of them and have zero failures unless it gets hot. Here you go. Holes are open in the back. The gasket is marked front. Here's one last look at them chambers. Okay, got everything laid out. I got the ARP lube. It's going to go under the washer, on top of the washer. These washers are directional. One side's got a chamfer on it, and the other side's flat. Make sure you don't put them on upside down. Chamfer goes up against the bolt head. Okay, we're ready to torque. We're going back to hyperlapse, warp 9. We're going to let that sit for about an hour, and then we'll come back and check that torque and see if anything's settled. Now we got to put the studs and guide plates supplied by AFR. These are adjustable, so we got to point the rocker arm at the valve. We don't have to weld this style, it's keyed. So let's get them on. To open and close them valves, we're going to be using these rocker arms. Okay, now they're all pointed and torqued. So when we were doing that adjustment of those things, 8 of these wouldn't go on. The threads were messed up in the very end of them. These are made by Summit, and I'm not very happy about it. I had to chase them. Let's get this thing together now. Okay, now all the rockers are on. It's time to adjust the valves. Okay, the dots are lined up on the gears. On a Ford, that's top of the compression stroke. On a Chevrolet, that's 180 out. So we start out at 0 lash. That's when the lifter isn't down into the plunge. Here we go. Comp recommends a half a turn into the plunge. So there's half. Now I'll tighten the jam nut down. Snug. And with this one. Now we go a quarter of a turn to the next cylinder that's going to fire. That's number 3. Here we go. Look at that thing shine. That's going to do it for this one. Hey, if you missed the short block assembly, it's on my main page. Hey, I'll create a playlist for you. So thanks for coming along, you guys. You guys come back and see me again, and have a nice night, and be nice to each other. Bye.